Welcome to J&J Auto test video of stock number 9489. Today we have a 3.8 liter Pontiac Firebird convertible. 111,000 miles on it. Running great. This 3.8 is very, very quiet. Actually kind of hard to find these now, which is hilarious. Back in the day, these things were everywhere. Got a nice good front bumper on it, two good headlights. While I'm up here, let's go ahead and test them out. Look at that, they both work. Ugly Motegi wheels on it, but you can't win them all. Oh. Bad door pin. Again, you can't win them all. Honeycomb taillights in really nice condition. We'll get those bad boys buffed out. See what's up with them. Let's step inside. Test some stuff out. 111,000 miles on her. We know I'm out of fuel. Transmission goes right into reverse, right into drive. Let's go ahead and test the top while we're here. How do you do this? All right, bada bing, bada boom. Top goes down. All right. And right back up. Maybe. Yep. All right, let's get this locked in. Power windows work, albeit slowly. Door mirrors, right side is working. Left side as well. Good sound in 3.8, guys. I know I sound like an idiot saying that, but you don't see these things anymore. All right, guys, I don't have much left to test on this girl. That is going to conclude the J&J Auto test video, stock number 9489. You know the gig. If you're looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Save the F-bodies.